Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change age in Brawl Stars. So if you want to change your age, right, so usually whenever just we are making a new account and when you just playing for the Brawl Stars, at that time you will get this an option to change your age, right? And here, and by the way, for example, if you are, let's say when you were 16 and at that time you made an account, so when you will turn 18 in the game, age will also turn 18, right? When you will turn 20, the game age will also turn as a 20. It will not as constant like when you were 16 years old. At that time when you start the game and you're still playing when you're 20 years old, it will still 16. No, it will not happen. It will change as the year passes on, right? So this were the main confusion which I want to just clear here. Now very first thing is that if you want to change your age, there's a no option where you can change your age in the game. So what we can do now, so the best thing is that you can just go and ask for the help and support. But you will see a lot of videos on YouTube where help and support is available there, but generally no reply coming from there, right? The reason is that help and support generally most of the time, 90% time, it doesn't work, right? Even though if you just submit your documentation and everything, because they're not just going to easily change your age, right? They will ask your documents and everything, proof IDs and everything. Even though if you support, then it will take a humongous time to change your age. So the best solution which I can show you, that go and make a new account. So here if I just go and tap on here, I have to just exit this game and start a new game, and that time I can just select my age, right? So this is the only solution which I will advise you, but you can always go to the help and support and you can always try it out, right? So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.